Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick Qigong routine that you can use to improve digestion and maintain a healthy gut. The exercises are easy to learn and do and will only take you 5 minutes. Let's begin. Stand up straight, soften your knees, keep your head upright and tailbone down to lengthen the spine. Relax your whole body. Begin by rubbing your hands together until they feel warm. Do that for about 20 to 30 seconds. Also, gently rub the back of the hands on each side. Come back and rub the hands for a little longer. Bring both hands in front of the lower abdomen, palms facing down. Take a deep inhale through the nose and raise both hands up. Reach upwards. Exhale out through the mouth and relax down. As you inhale, visualize as if a big wave lifts the hands up. As you exhale, release the neck and shoulders and relax. Repeat the movement 4 times. Nice deep inhale in. Easy long exhale out. Relax the hands by the side and notice how your body feels. Bring both hands under the lower abdomen again. Take a big inhale through the nose and raise both hands up. Bend your knees and arch your back slightly. Exhale out and bend forward. Breathe in again and slowly raise up, your eyes following the hands. Exhale out in the center and relax the whole body. Repeat the movement 4 times. Inhale as you go up. Exhale forward. Remember to honor your comfort zone and only bend over to the point when it feels comfortable. Keep your back straight but not rigid, and your breath soft and tension-free. When you're finished, release the hands by the side and notice how your body feels. Bring both hands under the lower abdomen again. Take a big inhale through the nose and raise both hands up. Exhale out as you bend your knees and lower your hands down to the sides. Repeat the movement 4 times. Every time you inhale, lift and lengthen the body upward. Every time you exhale, feel your feet firm on the ground, rooted deeply into the earth. Keep your back nice and relaxed, and your breath soft and tension-free. When you're finished, release the hands by the side and notice how your body feels. To finish this routine, take a nice deep inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth, and relax the whole body. And take a moment to notice how you feel, observing the sensations inside, connecting and grounding. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel better. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Click the subscribe button below the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.